This is a kit it's a startup kit, all right? It's to get you up and running right away on your tattoo adventures, including the tattoo gun, all right, which is wireless with the type A to type C. They got a practice pad, and this is a thick pad. If you never used it before, it's like a silicone pad pretty much. You get to actually practice your art like in the real skin. You get colors, all right? You get different cartridges, ointment. You get gauze, plastic little containers to contain the actual color. Like I said, the gloves, disposable needle cleans, all right? And then, of course, more gauze. And if you want to transfers, this is a transfers to actually transfer your tattoo. All right, the actual gun is very simple to use. You got your power, your modes, your plus and minus. And then this part is very important, all right? This is where you're going to actually go in depth on the actual needle, all right? So you got 24 all the way to 4.2, all right? So moving it, adjusting it, the arrow starts there, and you go start adjusting it, one adjustment, and it kind of lines up. But if you want to get precise, you can, all right? And you hear a little clicking, all right? But to turn it on, just hold down the button, 1, 2, 3. Now, it's going to give you an LCD screen, and this is going to display a lot of the functions, all right? Including, not only that, how much battery you have, the speeds of the actual needle, and if you hit, go ahead and start the modes. That's 12 right there, if you guys can see. 4. So you can set it up, preset it up to however you want. And you just hit the power once. And you could hear it. You could hear it. So you could hear the vibrations, all right? And we're going to stop it with the power again. We're going to change modes again. And you could preset different modes for different customers. To charge it, it's going to be right behind it, all right? So right now we're at full battery almost. So it's at 95%. So we're good. So let's put this to use and see how it works. So if you ever want to get in the market of tattooing, this is a great place to start. Now, like I said, this will be for an intermediate or maybe beginners or maybe apprentice. This is a great kit to start. So if you want to see how the big boys do it, let's check it out. Let's go to Tattoo Parlor here